Welcome to my YouTube channel Aero Vision Info. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated aircraft of the modern era, the Boeing 777X. With years of development, cutting-edge technology, and bold design changes, the 777X is Boeing's big step forward in the world of long-haul aviation. But what makes this aircraft so special, and how is it shaping the future of air travel? Let's find out. The Boeing 777X is the latest evolution of the highly successful 777 family, which first entered service in the mid-1990s. This new version isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what a twin-engine wide-body aircraft can be. With a longer wingspan, new engines, advanced aerodynamics, and a more comfortable cabin, the 777X is designed to offer airlines better fuel efficiency, increased capacity, and superior range, all while keeping passengers and pilots happy. At the heart of the 777X is its massive wingspan, which measures approximately 235 feet. To put that into perspective, it's so wide that Boeing had to make the tips foldable so the aircraft could still fit at standard airport gates. Yes, the 777X is the first commercial airliner to feature folding wingtips. These 11-foot tips automatically fold upward once the aircraft lands, allowing it to operate at existing airports without requiring new infrastructure. When deployed in flight, the extended wings improve fuel efficiency and lift, helping the plane fly farther using less fuel. Speaking of fuel efficiency, much of the 777X's performance gains come from its engines. The aircraft is powered by the GE9X, developed by General Electric. This is the largest and most powerful jet engine ever built for a commercial aircraft, with a fan diameter of over 11 feet. Despite its size, the GE9X is designed to be quieter and more fuel efficient than any engine in its class. It uses composite materials, advanced cooling systems, and next-gen aerodynamics to achieve a significant reduction in emissions and fuel burn compared to previous engines. Now let's talk about range and capacity. The 777X comes in two main variants, the 777-8 and the 777-9. The 777-9 is the larger of the two, capable of carrying over 400 passengers in a typical two-class configuration, with a range of approximately 13,500 kilometers, or about 8,400 miles. That means it can fly non-stop between almost any two major cities on the planet. The 777-8, while slightly smaller, will offer even longer range, perfect for ultra-long-haul routes. Inside, Boeing has focused on making the passenger experience as comfortable as possible. The cabin of the 777X is inspired by the 787 Dreamliner, featuring larger windows, improved lighting systems, quieter interiors, and better cabin pressure. The result is a more relaxed and enjoyable journey, even on long-haul flights. Airlines can also customize the layout more easily, offering a mix of business, premium economy, and economy seating with the latest in-flight entertainment and connectivity. But the 777X isn't just about passengers, so it's also a favorite among pilots and airlines. With a cockpit that's similar to the existing 777 and 787 models, the 777X reduces the need for retraining pilots, which saves money and simplifies operations. Boeing has also added new digital features, including improved navigation systems and flight controls, making the aircraft smarter and safer to operate. In terms of competition, The 777X is clearly positioned as Boeing's answer to the Airbus A350. While the A350 has already entered service and has been well received by airlines, Boeing is betting that the 777X's extra capacity and innovative features will give it the edge. It's already attracted interest from major global carriers like Emirates, Lufthansa, and Qatar Airways, who see it as a game changer for long-haul travel. However, the road to launch hasn't been without delays. The 777X's first flight took place in early 2020, but certification and delivery timelines were pushed back due to a combination of the COVID-19 pandemic, supply chain disruptions, and changes in regulatory standards. Boeing has taken this time to ensure the aircraft meets the highest levels of safety and performance, and as of 2025, the first deliveries are finally approaching, with excitement building across the aviation industry. So, what does the future look like for the Boeing 777X? If all goes according to plan, it will become the new flagship for many international airlines, gradually replacing older 747s and earlier 777 models. With its blend of efficiency, capacity, and modern comfort, the 777X represents the next chapter in long-haul aviation and possibly the last generation of giant twin-engine jets before we shift to even more revolutionary technologies. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the Boeing 777X. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from Aero Vision Info. Let me know in the comments, so what do you think about the 777X? Will it become the king of the skies, or will newer aircraft steal the spotlight? Until next time, clear skies and safe travels.